Hello everyone. Welcome to this beginner guide on firewall log analysis using Splunk. My name is Yash Salunke. In this presentation, I'll explain how we can collect, analyze, and visualize firewall logs using Splunk. Splunk is a powerful tool for security information and event management, which is SIEM. So let's move further. We will go on to the introduction to the firewall log analysis. So let's understand what firewall logs are. Firewall protects our network by controlling what traffic can come in or go out. Firewall logs record important details such as IP address, ports, or protocols, and whether the traffic was allowed or blocked by the particular firewall. So let's move on further. Why we will analyze them. To detect suspicious activities such as unauthorized access, the port scanning, or malware communication. Why we will use Splunk for firewall log analysis. It has centralized log collection. It is easy and powerful searching, which is SPL. And next, it has real-time dashboards and alerts. To begin practical demonstration, we would have to download the bots v2 dataset first. I will provide the link of the bots v2 dataset in the description. Then we will have to install the Palo Alto Network add-on in the Windows or the Mac. I will also provide the link of this in the description. The Palo Alto network helps Splunk automatically pass and extract fields from the Palo Alto firewall logs. Then we will have to download this InfoSec app in Splunk Enterprise. The InfoSec app includes pre-built dashboards, the schedule searches, and alerts that are useful for continuous monitoring and threat detection. So let's move on to the practical demonstration. For that, we will go and open this Splunk Enterprise. First, we have to download the bots v2 dataset. We can download the bots v2 dataset or we can download the attack vector also. Then we have to download this Splunk add-on. So you have to first log into this Splunk and then we have to download it. Then afterwards, then we have to install this Splunk Palo Alto add-on into the Splunk Enterprise. First, we will go to apps, then go to manage apps. We'll click install the app from a file here. Then select the file, Palo Alto file. Then click on upgrade app and we'll click on upload. I have already installed it, so I will not do it. Then we have to paste the bots v2 dataset downloaded file inside this Splunk etc application folder. So I have already pasted the document folder. I will not do it again. Then afterwards, we have to install the InfoSec application. For that, we will go to the apps. We'll go and find more apps and use the search button. We'll go and InfoSec. So I already installed it. So we have to click here and install the application. Then afterwards, we have to open the InfoSec application. So it has pre-built dashboards. We will go on continuous monitoring for the firewall because we are reading the firewall logs. This is a pre-built dashboard which is developed by the InfoSec application. We have to follow and make our own dashboard. So we'll head on to the search and make our own dashboard. First, we will try to query the blocked IP address by the firewall in the bots v2 dataset. This query will return you the number of IP address which has been blocked by the firewall. Currently, it's showing us 2. So we'll save this as a report. For that, we will first go to and click on visualization. Since it is numbers, we are selecting the Splunk visualization number inside. So we'll save this as a dashboard. So new dashboard. We select the classic dashboard and go over it. So we can see the dashboard. I will name it as block IP. Similarly, we have to create the another dashboard panel for allowed IP also. So now I will go on source. I'll copy this panel, which is the code of the block type, and I'll paste this right after the and I'll change the action block first and I will hit save. We'll change the title also. As you can see, I have created a simple dashboard which shows the number of IPs which has been blocked by the firewall and the number of IPs have been allowed by the firewall. Let it load first. So similarly, we have to follow this firewall dashboard which has been provided by InfoSec application and complete the entire dashboard. I will show you the basic of what I have done to complete it finalized. These are the steps which I have been done. So this is the dashboard which I have prepared. You have to do it like the same and follow the InfoSec dashboard. I have added the external source IP, external destination IP, traffic by protocol, traffic by country location, traffic by application. So thank you for your attention. We have learned how to analyze firewall log using Splunk from downloading a dataset to building a real-time dashboard. This is a strong first step toward learning safe tools, network security, and threat hunting. Thank you.